You're watching the Abbe's Golden Girls and Guys show, where Abbe Chain helps you get and stay fit while having fun in the comfort of your own home. Abbe shares healthy and delicious recipes, and there's always something new going on, so you need to hurry up and get in on the fun.
Hi everybody, this is Abbe Chain with Abbe's Golden Girls and Guys. I hope you're having a great day. So, I teach online fitness classes to men and women ages 50 and older. And I'm all about movement because you know what happens? Our body could become like a car. If your car is just going to sit in the garage and never be used, chances are when you go to start that car up again, may not work. Well, your body's the same way. If you're just going to sit and just sit and just sit and just sit, and then one day you decide to get up and actually live your life, chances are you're going to need a little bit of tweaking. So that's what my classes are all about. They're all about movement, and we have such a great time. But today, I welcome you to my cooking show. And today's week, I am actually going to show you how I make one of my favorite desserts. Now, I only use 4 ingredients. And most often when I do my cooking, because I'm a very, very busy woman, I don't want to spend several hours in my kitchen, but yet I get the time to nourish my body by providing good food with good ingredients. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not perfect, okay? There are times when I have my chocolate chip ice cream at night and it's all good, but it's moderation. Movement, moderation. Notice how they go hand in hand. So today, I'm gonna make you my yogurt pie. So the first thing I do is I go to the store and I buy a graham cracker crust. And I do use the graham cracker because it really tastes delicious with the rest of the ingredients, okay? Then I get any kind of yogurt that I want. I happen to follow the keto way of eating, so I actually got keto strawberry yogurt, okay? And I use 2 of those, and these are, I think they're like 8-ounce cups. I think so. And then I also mix in regular Cool Whip. Do you know regular Cool Whip only has 25 calories and it only has 1.5 gram of fat? A lot of people associate Cool Whip like, oh my God, it's so fattening, it's not really good for you. But let me tell you something. Cool Whip is really, really a good dessert as well. And you can even mix Cool Whip with fruit. Delicious. And then, because it's strawberries, I'm going to actually top my pie with strawberries. Now, if I was using banana yogurt, I would top my pie with banana. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. It is so simple. You don't even need a mixer. So I'm just going to empty this. And what I love about it is, check this out. I have now another container to use. Kind of like Tupperware, but I'm going to call it my Cool Whipware. And what's really, really nice is all of my recipes are going to be on my website. So you could go ahead and go to my website, but I'm not going to give you the information right now because we're making a pie and I don't want you to get all confused. So I'm emptying my yogurt, everything. It's so simple. I literally could get home from work and I could have a dinner party. Actually, you need to make this hours ahead because you have to freeze it. But I could make it in the morning. Why not? Okay? Now, I have my Cool Whip and I have my strawberries yogurt. That's it. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and mix this all together. Now the Cool Whip is already in the freezer, so I just take it out like a few minutes beforehand. It really doesn't take a long time for the Cool Whip to defrost. God, you know what I really want to do? I want to go in my backyard and just eat this just like this, but I'm not, because I told you I'm making a yogurt pie, not yogurt Abbe. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in the pie crust. Simple, simple, simple. And you could take this to people's homes, or God forbid, if somebody just got out of the hospital and you want to get them a little get well gift. You know, it's always good to feed your friends' faces, right? Everyone loves to eat or drink your shake or whatever it is. Love it. Okay, so here's my pie so far. Doesn't look the best, but you know something? Looks are and everything. It's how it tastes that really counts. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, this is my favorite part actually. I really love decorating my pie. So I'm going to put 1 strawberry right in the middle. And I'm just going to go ahead and take, people say, oh my God, where did you buy this pie? I say at the Chain's Kitchen. You've never been there? It's also the Chain Country Club. So at the Chain Country Club, we serve Very, very healthy food. People just love to come and visit us because it's always a good time. And I make them work out. They don't mind it because they feel good afterwards. Okay. Voila! How long did that take? Maybe 4 minutes. And what I would do is I would put this on and I'm going to go put it in the freezer. But before I put it in the freezer, I'm going to cut a piece and I'm going to taste it. My fancy cake knife. So I'm going to go ahead and just scoop this out. I'm going to put this on my, I have to get my strawberry. That's the whole purpose of it. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and take a bite of my, what? What are you doing?
Delicious. I had to.
Oh my gosh. Well, you might as well finish that one. Could you believe it didn't even get to the freezer? Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take my piece. All right. Oh my gosh. What am I going to do? It's a good thing I love my handsome husband, Alan, so much. I'm telling you. This is what happens when I'm in the kitchen. Sometimes it doesn't even get out of the stove and he's in there eating. Remember, in one of my previous channels, I had mentioned that I really prefer to be in my kitchen alone. I don't know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and take another piece, and now I'm going to taste it. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, I could eat this all day long. Oh my gosh. Totally delicious. Now, look at my pie. It's not whole anymore. Well, I guess this one's not going to anybody because when I serve food to people, I want them to get the whole thing. So I'm going to go ahead, put this in my freezer, and I'm going to come back another day and finish it. So if you like my channel, I'm going to ask you to subscribe. I'm going to ask you to hit the like button, the notification bell, and guess what? You could even put comments in there, write comments, because sometimes somebody else might see my show and say, could I make that yogurt pie with another kind of fruit, or I could interchangeable, or do anything you want? And I'm gonna say, of course you can. And also, my email is abby's.goldengirls@gmail.com. So, and again, all the recipes will be on my website. So thank you everybody for showing up, and I look forward to seeing you with Abby's Golden Girls and Guys on my show. Have a great day, everybody.
Thanks for watching the Abby's Golden Girls and Guys show. New live videos every week. Ask a friend to sign up for a free trial at vagero.com/Abby's Golden Girls.